Can connect right now. Issue on YouTube for Smart TV. If you're facing a can connect right now error on YouTube for your Smart TV, follow these steps. 1. Check your internet connection. Test other apps like Netflix to confirm if your TV is connected to the internet. Restart your router by unplugging it for 10 seconds and plugging it back in. Go to Settings Network Status on your TV to verify connectivity. 2. Restart your Smart TV. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power source for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. 3. Clear YouTube app cache. Navigate to Settings Apps. YouTube options may vary by TV brand. Select Clear Cache to remove temporary files. 4. Update the YouTube app. Open your TV's app store. Search for YouTube and check for updates. If available, install them. 5. Update your TV software. Go to Settings Support Greater Than Software Update. Check for updates and install any available firmware. 6. Reinstall the YouTube app. Uninstall the YouTube app from your TV. Reinstall it from the App Store. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue efficiently. If the problem persists, contact YouTube support or your TV's manufacturer.